message is transmitted at the request of emergency management officials. At 11:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, an earthquake measuring a 9.6 magnitude occurred on the Cascadia Fault Line. As a result of this earthquake, a large tsunami was generated, and is expected to impact the west coast within 30 minutes. Wave heights cannot be predicted at this time. All residents on the beach and in low-lying areas are advised to evacuate immediately. Follow designated evacuation routes, which will lead you to higher ground. Please proceed in a quick but orderly fashion. If you have children at school, do not attempt to pick them up as they are being evacuated to higher ground as well. Do not use your telephone at this time. Leave the lines open for emergency use. Tune to KYTE Radio at 102.7 for further information. Do not return to the warning area until the all clear is given by local authorities. This tsunami warning remains in effect until further notice.